Hello everyone, Liz with New Jersey Gardening, and today I want to show you how I plant tomatoes. So if you have a tomato plant like this, you will go ahead and strip all of the leaves, leaving it like this, because what we're going to do is we're going to bury it. But if you have a seed, it is in June now, so you can actually directly sow it just with a little bit of on top of the dirt and just sprinkle a little bit of more dirt on top. But if you have a plant tomato, you can just take it out, dig a hole, and this one is going to be about 8 inches down, and that's the reason why we are going to want to strip all of the leaves. That way the leaves doesn't get any disease if it's touching the ground, or when it rains, the rain splashes the leaves and then it may get a disease. But that's what we want to do. And also because this plant, it's already flowering and it is this tall. This is about I would say 17 inches tall. This is the stage that you would want to stake it at this point. And that's what I already done. And that's what I already did over here. I have these plants over here since the beginning, well, I would say like the second week of May. And as you can see, they already have tomatoes. And like you see here, I already stripped it. And what I did, I got this yarn from the dollar store. And so far, so good. But you can also put whatever you want. But that little yarn for $1 goes a long ways. So that's what I done here with all of them. As you can see, I stripped them. And this really helps the tomato plants to keep on having and focusing on the energy on the actual tomatoes. And another thing, when you strip the leaves, for example, on these ones, on the bigger ones, and you get a little branch about this thick, it's not too thick, but it's enough. Not this ones, not these leaves, but this one here. Don't get rid of it. If you want to multiply your tomatoes, this is an excellent way to do it. All you do is you just put it directly on the potting mix. I have a couple stuff here that I did that with. And for example here, look at this tomato. This was just from a little branch that I put in here. It takes about a week to 2 weeks for the plant to start having roots. If it's gonna die, it's just simply gonna wilt like in 2-3 days. But if it's gonna survive, it's just gonna plump up and it's gonna look like this. This one in particular has been here in about 3 weeks, so it has a lot of roots. But you can put it, like I said, it takes about a week or two for it to have roots. But this is just an excellent way of being able to multiply your tomato plants. And it doesn't matter what tomato. This is the same process that I do. This is right here is a cherry tomato, but you can do it with any tomato. So that is the tip that I have for you guys, and this is how I plant my tomatoes. I hope that you have a good afternoon. Take care, guys. Bye.